Welcome back to the, oh shit, hold on, I might fuck it up, hold on. Damn, I should have flipped the screen and shit. Damn. Alright, my bad. So, I'm gonna make this quick. But bitch! We got the second mod. Oh damn, I almost knocked the green screen. Oh, I was fucked up. Yeah. Yeah. It's a 31.5 inch. Some bullshit they had on clearance. I needed a new one. My shit was artifacting. So let me turn it on. Yeah. Sweet. You probably can't see me, and if that's the case, my bad, whatever. But I just wanted to, you know, since I'm a YouTuber, I gotta do my shit. Let me put the shit. So, yes, yeah, super excited about this shit. I don't know how to. How should I? Shit better have an 8D for it. Be mad as a bitch. I'm pretty sure it does. So. I can't. Son of a bitch. Whatever. Don't give a shit. Oh! I put the bag back on. But. Oh! Oh shit. Yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that. Yeah, she good to go. She good to go. Anyway, it's got a 31.5 inch MSI. It's got 165 for the refresh rate. This one has 144. I was trying to get 240, but whatever, man. I don't care. You know, I just need a new monitor because this one, I don't know if you can see it, but like on this side, it's got like a bunch of lines and shit on it. So this one don't got that. I thought it was the cable, but anyway, look at that. Ooh, ooh, shit. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. I'm about to record Def Jam, and then yeah, we gonna fit.